You have done your research. Yes. Look, it's like this. In the Adbhut Ramayana, it's Sita Ma who kills Ravan.
His writing really looks good. Let's call him the literary pop star for the kind of impact he's made in the contemporary Indian writing. The one who has made gods our real life heroes. Why mythological writing?
It's a subject I enjoy, man. Look, you're going to write, if you're going to be an author, you'll write on subjects that you have knowledge in, right? I grew up in a family atmosphere where we were taught all these. My grandfather was a pandit at Varanasi, and I actually think that the stories of our gods and goddesses really exciting. They're great fun, and you learn stuff through it as well. That wonderful balance.
Suddenly now people are actually talking about karma, and your good karma bought you a carton of cream biscuits, is what I've heard. That somebody.
You have done your research. Yes. Look, it's like this. When I write, I listen to music and I eat tons of cream biscuits. Okay. I have no idea why. Those are the things that kind of open the key, to the parallel universe that I record. Many of my readers know this. So when I go to LitFest, if I've taken too much time between a book, I kid you not, there are some readers who actually come with cream biscuits. Ye lo, jaldi likho. Kar kya rahe ho, sale?
So you have strong women in your life, your wife, and is this the reason? Yeah, she can we just quickly?
There.
Yeah, the beautiful wife.
Shivani, my boss.
So is this the reason that you showed Sita as a warrior? Because let's be real, for a very long time, हमने सीता जी को ऐसे देखा है कि not as a warrior, we've never seen her as a warrior, but in your book.
For many Indians, particularly in the urban areas, your image of Sita Ma has been built by a 1980s television serial.
Right.
That 1980s television serial was largely based on a 16th century version of the Ramayana called the Ramcharitmanas by Goswami Tulsidas ji. I respect that version a lot, but there are other versions of the Ramayana as well, including the original Valmiki Ramayana, in which Sita Ma is not a warrior, but she's a very strong woman in the Valmiki Ramayana. But Valmiki ji is credited with 3 Ramayans. Okay, the Valmiki Ramayana, Adbhut Ramayana, and Ananda Ramayana. In the Adbhut Ramayana, it's Sita Ma who kills Ravan. Okay, this is credited to Valmiki ji, by the way. Okay, so this thing of seeing Sita Ma as a powerful warrior goddess is an ancient tradition of ours. It's not something I invented. I'd love to take credit for it, but it's not something I invented. I'm just kind of reviving something that was there in our ancient ways already.
Brilliant. So if you were to read any other author who writes in mythological or history fiction, who would you pick and why?
Goswami Tulsidas ji, Valmiki ji, Ved Vyas ji. For us, Indian writers, they are the gods among writers. Yeah.
Thank you so much. It was lovely having a conversation.
Pleasure. You take care. Bye.